Today we'll take you to a Street View Premier King room. This room is remodeled and this is on Spa Tower with a very good view of the strip and a little bit view of the mountains. This room has a lovely view of the fountains as well. As you enter from the parking, you will find the lobby to your right. It also provides a mobile check-in. You can just self-check in your mobile in the MGM Resort app, or you can check in over the counter. The Premier King room, which we booked this time during our March 2024 visit, was located in the Spa Tower. This was a 4 to 5 minute walk from the lobby, passing the Bellagio Conservatory and the pastry shop. Uh, the room is very beautiful. We stayed in this remodeled spa tower. Our room was quite spacious, wonderful beddings, got lost in the mountain of pillows, beautiful bathroom, and the minibar had a shelf for personal items, which was nice. Lots of sitting and tables in this huge room. Here you have the Premier King room with a little bit of a view, and then you have a huge bed. This is a king size bed, and then you've got nice little tables at the side, a little place to keep your feet on, small little couch, and you get a small walking decks out here, pretty big walking decks. You get a 65-inch television, some bar glasses, and then you get a lot of snacks. Check the prices. You can scan that QR code, check the prices before you try them. You also get a mini fridge stacked with all your favorite drinks, beer, and all that stuff. Again, check the prices by scanning the code out there. And then overlooking this side, it's the view of the almost the partial view of the strip. You can also see the Bellagio fountains from the comfort of your room. And then you got the Paris Hotel, the Eiffel Tower, and pretty much that's all about that. You can see the flamingo at the front. Once again, the bedroom looks immaculate with almost everything you need to stay. This is the washroom. So it has got a nice little mirror. Plenty of space. In fact, you get plenty and plenty of space inside. So you get a nice little shower with all the modern amenities and kids out here. This is a little bit of decor, and then you have this very beautiful vanity table. It's beautiful. This little section in the room have a safe locker and iron board. You have a small little cupboard with lots of hangers, and you have also a hair dryer. This is one of the best places to stay in the Las Vegas Strip, centrally located. Rooms are pretty spacious, and it's very, very nicely done. I would highly recommend once you visit Las Vegas, please stay at the Bellagio. This room offers a beautiful view of the iconic Bellagio fountains, as you can see in the background from the large windows of this premier king room.